So in this particular video series, we're going to form a hypothesis, and we're going to use a couple of techniques. And one is called interpolation. The other is called extrapolation. And so interpolation is when you have two known values and you guess what's going to happen in between those two values. And extrapolation is when you have a value and you try to guess what's going to happen outside of that value. So we'll do all of those in the same sheet. And the first thing that we're going to do is we're going to go to Dropbox, and we want to duplicate the file that we created in folder number 6. That was experiment number 6. I'm calling it folder number 6, but it's actually experiment number 6, and it is predicting the range. Once we have that, we're going to actually increment. And incrementing in this particular case is this. We're making an assumption. And the assumption is that the angle and the height correspond to one another. So if I go from 0 degrees to 1 degrees, there's a height that's associated with that. And then if I go from 1 to 2, there's a height associated with that. And then if I go from 2 to 3, there's a height associated with that. So what I'm saying is that each one of those heights are equal. And that may not be the case, but that is the assumption that we're making. So let's start off with interpolation.